Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a certified pre-owned 2020 Volvo V60 Cross Country. This is in crystal white metallic with a charcoal leather interior. This all-wheel drive station wagon has just under 19,000 miles on it. It has 19-inch wheels with brand new Michelin tires. This has the advanced package, so you get that 360-degree camera system, the pilot assist with adaptive cruise control, which is a semi-autonomous drive mode, and you'll be able to rely on the car to keep you safely in between the lines on the road and at a safe distance from the car in front of you. You'll be able to take your hands off the wheels just for a minute. It also has the graphic heads-up display, keyless entry and hands-free power lift gate. Dual integrated tailpipes. This has that scuff, the bumper guard there. Plenty of room in the back. Those seats do fold down flat. This is a sunroof open kind of day, so I have that open. And that also does have a power sunshade. And check out these tires. These look great. They're just like knobby and really cool tread pattern. I'm into those wheels, those tires. Very clean back seat. And there's a little power in the back for your passengers. Memory seating for two. This has the upgraded Harman and Kardon stereo system. It sounds great. Love the stitching on the sides. Such a cool detail. These seats are so comfortable. And what makes Volvo so cool as a car company is that this suite of safety features that you see right here is standard. You get all of those with any new Volvo that's coming out. You can really just rely on the fact that this car has your back. It's part of the IntelliSafe system. It's a radar-based system. It works at night, cross-traffic alert with auto braking, city safety collision avoidance. The goal is to keep you from getting into an accident. But if you do, this is one of the safest cars on the road. We have navigation. This is your climate control. Your heated seats in the front. On this side, we have the vehicle functions, and this is where you'll be able to access the heads-up display, and that is projected on the windshield in front of you here. You can set, it's not blinking in real life, you can set that to show up. The road sign information system can show up, turn-by-turn directions. However you'd like to set up your own Swedish sanctuary, you can do that. This has that 360-degree camera system, and then you just choose which view you would like. Great for parking, so you won't scuff up your tires, your wheels. And then all the way to the right is where you'll be able to download apps if you'd like, and you'll be able to do that right through here. On the right, Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, and you can plug in an additional phone. You can select whatever drive mode you would like to be in. I like to be in dynamic. Gets you a little faster shifting, a little louder engine. And if you drop this down, this is where you'll find the treasure trove of settings, again, that you can just customize whatever you'd like in this car. Owner's manual, everything under the sun that you need to know about this V60 cross country is at your fingertips. Well, this is stock number 6101A. PortlandVolvo.com has all the details, and we hope to see you soon. Schedule a test drive, or we could deliver this to you today. Thanks for watching from Portland Volvo, and we will see you soon.